This Chevrolet Volt delivers a electric/gas at 4 1.5 L engine powering this automatic transmission. LT preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, jet black/jet black, cloth seat trim, engine, range extender, 1.5 liters variable valve timing, DI, DOHC 4-cylinder, STD. This Chevrolet Volt comes equipped with these options: electric drive, extended range, 149 horsepower, 111 kW 294 pounds featuring a torque, 398 Nm, STD, charging module, 7.2 kW high voltage, CAJUN Red Tintcoat, audio system, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 Plus system 8 diagonal HD color touchscreen, AM/FM stereo, Bluetooth audio streaming for 2 active devices, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capable, enhanced voice recognition, in-vehicle apps, cloud-connected personalization for select infotainment and vehicle settings. Subscription required for enhanced and connected services after trial period. STD, wipers, front intermittent, variable with washers, windows, power with express down on all, driver express up with anti-pinch override, wheels, 17x7, 43.2 cm by 17.8 cm, 5-spoke painted aluminum, visors, driver and front passenger vanity mirrors, covered, sliding, tires, 215/50R17 all-season, blackwall, low rolling resistance, tire pressure monitor system, auto alert includes tire fill alert. Visit us today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 can get you a tried and true Volt today.